Hi, welcome to Aidan Piers, the original home of the car search, located in Knutsford in the heart of Cheshire, where our priority is to ensure we remain at the top of your list when you think about your next vehicle by ensuring that with every transaction we give you a greater use value than the cash value we receive. Hi, thank you for visiting Aidan Piers, where we will take a visual tour of our 2014 Lotus Evora 3.5S V6 Sport Racer 4 IPS 2-door. Finished in pewter grey with gloss black detailing on the roof, sills, splitter and diffuser, with forged alloy wheels also in black. Full black heated leather seats with contrast red stitching. The Sport Racer model benefits from the Sports and Tech packs. The Sport pack gives a sharper throttle response, sporty traction control settings and cross-drilled brake discs. The Tech pack adds upgraded stereo, touchscreen display, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors and 2+2 seating. The S-Ignition indicates it is supercharged, giving a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds, a top speed of 167 miles per hour, with miles per gallon indicated at 40.8 extra urban, 19.6 urban and a combined of 29.3 miles per gallon. This vehicle has covered 17,697 miles and has a full service history, with the major service incorporating the V-belt and the gearbox oil change completed by the main dealer in March 2022 at 15,989 miles. There are two former keepers on the V5 and a clear HPI and National Mileage Register report confirming there is no financial interest, previous insurance write-off claim or mileage inconsistencies. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and if you subscribe you will see our videos before the vehicles hit the advert. There is a link in the description below straight to our website and one to the link of pictures containing everything you need to know about this car. Thanks again. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to ensure you receive future videos which could give you a heads up on what's arrived before vehicles hit the adverts. The vehicle you have just viewed can be seen in more detail using the picture link in the description below, and feel free to see our other vehicles by using the link to our website also in the description below, www.aidanpiers.com, and we welcome your call on 01565 777 077. And when buying your next vehicle, remember our strict policy when buying: if it isn't written, it isn't true, and if it's written, read it. Enjoy!